A natural extension of you. Okay, now this is a frontal, so we're gonna have to do some melting today. We just gonna have to do it, y'all. If you want to swoop it, you can swoop it. Clearly, they chose violence with this color. Okay. And it's just like honey when your wig melts over me. These are the women's conference earrings. Thank you. The wig did itself, okay? I'm so wrong to you. I don't really know which way I want to take it. It's only for one night. Hey. Now you will not. We can't. Sometimes we feel like Lil' Kim, sometimes we feel like Shirley Caesar. We really just don't even. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with the slay today. Today's slay has been brought to you by YONCE, a natural extension of you. Y'all, once again, this is another wig that I have had for quite some time, so I don't even know what's off up in this box. Y'all see this right there? That means it's finna get real. People don't know that, but when stuff is accidentally on the outside of the box, that means the level of ignorance that's coming with it is too much for the box to encompass, and it runs over and it spills out and press it down and runneth over, like the Bible says. It's probably finna be cute. That's what I'm saying to you. We gonna find out right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam. Oh, cousin, you the bomb. Y'all, please, for real, this is a public service announcement, for real. Hit that subscribe. You can do it. Put your back into it. All right, y'all, as I stated, this wig is brought to you by YONCE. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and see. What is this? Oh, that's a headband. Chad, I thought this was the wig. I was gonna say, no, what YONCE? What is this you done sent me? But this is giving me mad 70s vibes or something. Yes. Hold tight. Is that 70s? Hold on, before I start doing stuff and y'all be like, girl, that was not the 70s. Get your life. Dang, it was 1981. I was real close though, y'all. Listen, I'm something like a music historian. People don't know that. People don't know that. I was a little wrong on that one, but literally by like 2 years, bruh. Like, seriously, y'all can't even count that. Ladies and gentlemen, the world was blessed that decade. Oh, yes, the world was blessed that decade. Yes, 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 the world was blessed that decade. We're the special decade. We don't know if we old or young. Yep. If anybody was born in the 80s, you know what I'm talking about. We don't know where to go, to be honest. Sometimes we feel like Lil' Kim, sometimes we feel like Shirley Caesar. We really just don't even. We can't. This is what was out the box, y'all. This cute. Let's see what's off up in here. Yeah, I guess you can put your wig in here too when you're done with it. Now they sent me some real ignorant lashes, y'all. You already know what time it is. You can only wear these certain places. Now, if you go to the club and you hear then you can wear these to that club, okay? Honey, look at these dynasty earrings they done sent me. Honey, these earrings so dynasty. You got to wear these earrings to women's conference and women's conference only. Wait, where you go with it? There you go. There you go. These the women's conference earrings. Thank you. I'm gonna wear these with my white suit, honey. Between my hat and these earrings, honey, they ain't gonna be able to see me at conference. Man, I'm gonna shut the whole conference down. Think it's a game? It's not. The Edge Whisperer thingy my bobber. And it's clean, y'all. Remember what I told you about some of the brushes? Sometimes they be ignorant. Now this one a little rough though. Y'all listen, this is kind of mid. It's not the roughest that I felt. I felt some real rough ones. Be careful with these. Just make sure that it's the right one for your situation, okay? Okay, so clearly they chose violence with this color. Okay. They say you going blonde today, sis. Good thing I went somewhat natural on my makeup. I'ma just start doing that, y'all. I be feeling like being ignorant sometimes. Sometimes I feel Y'all remember when that girl did that on that Tyler Perry plate, honey? We was like, girl, you better say. Why I'm so bright? Ooh, child. Y'all, we coming for the industry today, ain't we? We coming for the... Eunice, this how you feel?
Honey, I can't describe. Yes.
This is giving me... And it's just like honey when your wig melts over me. Yes, this is giving me honey. Now I can do this if I want to now, y'all. You think it's a game, it's not. Okay, now this is a frontal, so we're gonna have to do some melting today. We just gonna have to do it, y'all. Eunice, ombre, honey, blonde, money piece. Honey, they like this money piece name. Money piece, highlight, lace front, curly, human hair wig. Yeah, this should be a, well, after you melt the lace now, after you get your hairline together, this really should be a throw on and go, y'all. That's the one thing about these blonde wigs. Knots, obviously, are not gonna be dark because of the hair color. So, bam, you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots and anything like that. That should already be taken care of. As far as the price goes, it looks like it's starting at $190. We kind of mid-range here now. Y'all know it gets much higher than that, so I'm not, you know, depending on how this is gonna look afterwards, I may not be mad at this. It looks pre-plucked. I see some grown woman hairs off up and through here. You see these little small hairs? Those are grown woman hairs that you just, if you want to swoop it, you can swoop it. If you want to pluck those off, you can pluck them off. If you want to cut it off, you can cut it off. It just depends on what you see fit for your life. I'm finna just throw this on real quick and just get a feel for it. This is not necessarily this is like curly crimpy, crimp curl. It's like a wavy crimp, a small wavy crimp though. So and it actually feels like that too. It feels like hair that has been crimped up. These highlights are in there. They're in there, okay? They exist. These highlights are like, hey, we off up in here today. How y'all doing? How your mama now? Let me throw it on real quick before I try to, ooh, child, they gonna make me do some frontal work today. Y'all finna make me, oh, Chad, this thing, so, honey. Ooh, child, these struggle braids. Y'all, my hair has been braided down up under these wigs for like a whole long time, okay? So, it is what it is. It is what it is.
No need to cry. Go dry your eyes. Get over it. It was only for one night.
Ooh, child. Oh, we are coming for all the ignorance today. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, to be honest. Just trim those ends, okay? I'm gonna melt this lace, y'all, and then I'm gonna just go with the energy of it. I'm gonna go with the flow of it. I don't know. I'm actually stuck. I'm stuck. I don't know which way I want to take it. I don't really know which way I want to take it. Wait a minute. This is almost kind of like making me excited. Like, what do I want to do with this? Ooh, sis, what you gonna do? I got that feeling. I'ma just figure this out. I'm gonna figure it out because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't. So, yeah, what am I gonna do? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Y'all, listen, here's the deal though. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content. Bam! Just like that, you are part of the family. Let's see what we're gonna do with this. I feel fab though. I do. I feel fabulous. I do. I feel fabulous. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do with it. Let's see what we can do with it.
If I can't be with you, I'd rather be by myself. No, I can't lie. I don't want anybody else. Those happy days that we once knew,
Y'all, listen, real quick. I had to jump back on here. Honey, do you remember how I was like, yo, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this wig? The wig did itself, okay? I literally had water and leave-in conditioner. Bam, bam, bam. I sprayed it down. Added this African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. Bam, that's it. I didn't tint no lace. I didn't add no color. Honey, I didn't even trim these ends, y'all. Honey, this is giving me all kind of Beyonce. As soon as I put it on and I start putting that water on it, that's what this wig is giving me. Huh? So much so that I had to jump back on. Usually I would have been done at this point. I said, you know what? I got to go back on because y'all got to realize this wig did itself. I had to let y'all know that. I got to go somewhere. I'm getting ready to go to Lowe's right now and grab some doorknobs and a slab of wood. I have to. Y'all get this. Okay.